Today we'll be demonstrating the installation of an EcoHitch part number X6096S on a 2026 Subaru Outback, which has the highest capacity in the industry at 525 pounds tongue weight and 3,500 pounds towing, making it the best option for e-bikes and more, as well as a removable stainless steel receiver to protect your hitch from corrosion, and so you can restore your Subaru back to its factory look. Starting off, open the tailgate of the vehicle and remove the one clip from the plastic taillight cover and gently pull up on the taillight to disconnect them using a pry tool if needed. Then remove the two bolts that secure the taillight to the body . And with a firm grip, pull rearward until it comes free. Unplug the connector and set lights aside. Repeat for the opposite side of the vehicle. Remove the screw and 3-button push clips from the mud flap and remove. Remove the push clips on the fender trim and gently lift one section at a time to disconnect trim from clips. Underneath the plastic trim that has been removed, there is one clip that needs to be removed. Repeat for both sides of vehicle. Gently but firmly unclip and remove the bumper fascia from each side of the vehicle. Remove the bumper fascia and set it in a safe place. Remove the sensor from the crossmember on driver's side of the vehicle. Remove 2 bolts and 1 nut holding the crossmember to the frame on each side of the vehicle. Remove the crossmember. The hitch will be mounted in place of the crossmember. Loosen the exhaust from the exhaust hangers. Align the hitch with the 2 crossmember studs. Thread an M10 nut onto each stud to secure the hitch. Hand tighten the hardware. Insert the coil end of the 1/2-inch bolt fisher into the mounting hole from the bottom of the frame. Guide the bolt fisher rearward out through the square hole in the hitch side plate. Attach a 1/2-inch bolt with 1 1/2-inch star washer and 1 1-inch by 2-inch by 1/4-inch plate washer to the coil end of the bolt fisher. Pull the wire end of the bolt fisher until the 1 1/2-inch bolt completely protrudes from the frame. Secure the 1/2-inch bolt with 1 1/2-inch flat washer, 1 1/2-inch lock washer, and 1/2-inch nut. Hand tighten the hardware and repeat for opposite side of the vehicle. Insert a M10 bolt with 1 M10 lock washer and 2 M10 flat washers into the 4 remaining holes, 2 per side, on the hitch side plate. Torque all M10 hardware to 50 foot-pounds and a 1/2-inch hardware to 70 foot-pounds. Attach the sensor to the hitch side plate using a zip tie. Reinstall the exhaust to the rubber hanger. Reinstall the bumper and other components in reverse order of removal. Trimming to the bumper will be required to use the Stealth hitch receiver. Refer to the instructions for exact measurements. Insert the hitch receiver and secure with a 5/8 4-inch grade 5 bolt. The installation of your Stealth hitch is now complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.